Good day everyone, my name is Jan Rafael Tupas. This is my report. Surveillance and casing. Conducting surveillance and casing is generally expensive. It needed to be successful, considerable resources in the form of workers, equipment and time, and even human and material resources must be invested given certain conditions. However, surveillance and casing may be the only means by which particular information or intelligence can be obtained. Definition of terms. To understand the literature or participate in surveillance, the Meridian's operative should be conversant with the terms and jargons of the field. Be made the detective or suspected of being surveillance by the subject. Kinds of surveillance. Surveillance may be conducted from stationary or fixed position, such as park, van, or a room facing the subject residence of workplace, or by posing a street vendor or utility worker in a stakeout position. The aim is to allow the surveillant to remain inconspicuously in one place another. Precaution and surveillance. In intelligence work, the surveillance is of critical importance. The suspect is not the usually run of the mill criminal. Many of the individual or groups of individual who are interested to the intelligence unit have been tailed by some of the best surveillance in almost every corner of the locality in the social settings. 1. Basic surveillance. The surveillance should always be prepared to defend reason for hanging in the area. It may become necessary to explain his or her presence at any time. Covert surveillance. Mass surveillance is of the covert type. The covert type of surveillance is an unnoticed method of following or observation individuals, vehicles, or buildings. Intermittent surveillance. An intermittent surveillance may be of the covert or overt type usually. Though this method is used only with the covert approach, this method is simply observing the subject a little bit each day. Technical surveillance, electronic surveillance, typing, bugging, call it what the intelligence agent like. It's illegal in some other countries and illegal in others. It is employed by some and not by other. Undercover surveillance. On rare occasion, it may be necessary for undercover intelligence operative to join certain organization for the purpose of close surveillance. Yun lang. Doon na lang ako. Tapos
Bakit?
yun na yan. Okay na yan.
Hindi ko lang nagano. That's all. Sige, salamat.
Tama ba? Okay na yan. Hanggang dito lang ako. Undercover surveillance. Tama ba? Tingnan natin, no?